Kids Vision TV.
Hi kids, in this video I am drawing a mermaid. Let's draw with me. First I am coloring a red color in his tail. Second, I am coloring an orange color. Third, I am coloring a yellow color. Fourth, green color. Fifth, sky blue color. And the last one, indigo color. Light pink color. Light blue color. Light green color. I am coloring its crown. Yellow color. Dark blue color. I am coloring its tail red. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Last one, blue color. I am coloring its hair brown color. Color. Purple color. Light green color. Sky blue color. Yellow color. Orange color. Sky blue color. Pink color. I am coloring its body with skin color. I am coloring its face.
Subscribe us for more videos.